Hello my dear students, this is Sajini Srijit. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss true or false type of questions. We have already discussed multiple choice questions and fill in the blanks types of questions in part 1 and part 2. Those who haven't watched those videos, please watch it. I will put the link in the I button and in the description box too. Okay, let's move on to the questions. First question, if x by y is a rational number, then y is always a whole number. It is false because in the definition itself, x by y is a rational number and then x and y are integers and y not equal to 0. This is the condition. So this is a false statement. Next question, if p by q is a rational number, then p cannot be equal to 0. The p can be 0. Q cannot be equal to 0. That is the definition. So p cannot be equal to 0 is again false. P can be 0. Next question, if r by s is a rational number, then s cannot be equal to 0. That is true. The denominator cannot be 0 because if denominator equal to 0, then that number is undefined. Next question, 5 by 6 lies between 2 by 3 and 1. Okay, now to find it, we have to make the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 with the denominator 6. So 2 by 3 becomes 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6. So it becomes 4 by 6. Okay, then what is 1? 1 can be written as 6 by 6 because here the denominator is 6. So I can make this 1 as 6 by 6. Then the number 5 by 6 is lies between 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. So it is true. Next question, 5 by 10 lies between 1 by 2 and 1. Okay, this is also we can do the same manner. So 1 by 2 becomes, now to make the equivalent fractions with the denominator 10, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. Okay, then it is 5 by 10. Okay, then here lies between. So it is not lies between. This 1 by 2 itself is 5 by 10. Okay, so this is a false statement. Next question, minus 7 by 2 lies between minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 7 by 2 is nothing but minus 3 and 1 by 2. That means if you are making it as a mixed fraction, then 3 into 2, 6. Okay, then 1 is there. So minus 3 and 1 by 2 is its mixed fraction. So it is between minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, minus 3 and half or minus 3.5. Actually, minus 3.5 is between minus 3 and minus 4. So it is true. The next question, 9 by 6 lies between 1 and 2. 9 by 6 nothing but if you are making the simplest form, it becomes 3 by 2. Okay, 9, 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 3, 6. So 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 and 1 by 2, 1 and half is between 1 and 2. So the statement is true. If a not equal to 0, the multiplicative inverse of a by b is b by a. Yes, it is true. If a equal to 0, then the multiplicative inverse become undefined, b by a, b by 0. So here a not equal to 0 it is given. So this is true. Next question, the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. It is false. What is the multiplicative inverse? It is 5 by minus 3. Next question, the additive inverse of 1 by 2 is minus 2. No, the additive, what is additive inverse? Additive inverse means just change the sign. So the additive inverse of 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. It is not minus 2. Okay, so the statement is false. If x by y is the additive inverse of c by d, then x by y plus c by d equal to 0. Yes. This if c by d is equal to say 1 by 2, then additive inverse x by y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if you are adding 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2, it results in 0. For every rational number x, x plus 1 is equal to x. That is false. Okay, we have to take say x is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So it is not equal to x itself. If x by y is the additive inverse of c by d, then xy by minus c by d equal to 0. It's false. It is already said that x by y plus c by d is equal to 0 if one number is the additive inverse of the other. The reciprocal of a non-zero rational number p by q is the rational number q by p. Yes, true. If x plus y is equal to 0, then minus y is known as the negative of x, where x and y are rational numbers. No, if x plus y equal to 0, then y is the negative of x. Y, not minus y. Y itself is the negative of x. So this is also false. The negative of any rational number is the number of itself. Correct. Minus x is equal to x. So this is true. The negative of 0 does not exist. True. 1 is 1 itself. False. Negative of 1 is negative 1. For all rational numbers x and y, x minus y is equal to y minus x. Subtraction operation is not commutative. So this is false. For all rational numbers x and y, x into y is equal to y into x. As commutative property is applicable for multiplication. So it is true. For every rational number x, x into 0 equal to x. False. X into 0 equal to 0. For all rational numbers a, b and c, a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. True. 1 is the only number which is its own reciprocal. False. Minus 1 is also has the same number as the reciprocal. Minus 1 is not the reciprocal of any rational number. Minus 1 is the reciprocal of the same number itself. So it is also false. For any rational number x, x plus minus 1 is equal to minus x. False. X into minus 1 is equal to minus x. For rational numbers x and y, if x less than y, then x minus y is a positive rational number. It is not always true. Sometimes it is negative. So it is false. Between any two rational numbers, there are exactly 10 rational numbers. It is false, infinitely many. Rational numbers are closed under addition and multiplication, but not under subtraction. That is also false because it is closed under addition, multiplication and subtraction, not closed under division only. Subtraction of rational numbers is commutative. False. It is not commutative. Minus 3 by 4 is smaller than minus 2. False, because in negative number, if you are written in a number line, actually minus 3 by 4 is to the right of minus 2. So it is actually greater. So the statement is false. 0 is a rational number. Yes, true. All positive rational numbers lie between 0 and 1000. False. There are infinitely many rational numbers in the number line. The population of India in 2004-2005 is a rational number. As it is true. It's actually a positive number. We can represent it as a rational number by simply putting divided by 1. If it is a 1 crore, then 1 crore by 1. Okay, like that. So it's a rational number. There are countless rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. True. The reciprocal of x inverse is 1 by x. No. X inverse itself is 1 by x. Then its reciprocal, it is equal to x. The rational number 57 by 23 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. False. It is a positive number, so it is always at the right of the 0. The rational number 7 by minus 4 lies to the right of 0 on the number line. No, this is a negative number, so it lies to the left of the 0. The rational number minus 8 by minus 3 lies neither to the right nor to the left of 0 on the number line. No, it is always 8 by 3. Minus 8 by minus 3 becomes positive 8 by 3. It lies to the right of the number 0 on the number line. So the statement is false. The rational numbers 1 by 2 and minus 1 are on the opposite sides of 0 on the number line. True. Every fraction is a rational number. True. Every integer is a rational number. True. Because every integer I can return it as a rational number by putting denominator as 1. The rational numbers can be represented on the number line. Yes, it is true. The negative of a negative rational number is positive rational number. True, it is already discussed. If x and y are two rational numbers such that x greater than y, then x minus y is always a positive rational number. True. 0 is the smallest rational number. Of course, there are negative integers and negative rational numbers. Every whole number is an integer. Yes, it is true. Every whole number is a rational number. It is again true. 0 is a whole number, but it is not a rational number. For 0 is a whole number and it is also a rational number also. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. The rational numbers 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 are on the opposite sides of 0 on the number line. Yes, one of the numbers is negative and the other is positive, so it is true. Rational numbers can be added in any order. True, commutative property is applicable. Solve the following. Select the rational numbers from the list which are also integers. 4 by 2 minus 6 by 2. All these are integers also. Okay, 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. 9 by 3 is 3. 6 by 3 is again 2. Then okay, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 3 by 1. So we have completed the MCQs, multiple choice questions from the chapter rational numbers. If you are learning all these parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3, then you surely get 10 out of 10 of full marks in your exams. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching.